This is the iPhone 4 that was released back in 2010, and this is the latest iPhone 12 Pro Max that was released back in 2020. Before the release of the latest iPhone 13, I think it's a good time to have a look at how far we have come with the iPhone technology. Let's break down the numbers right from the beginning. So iPhone 4 was about 3.5-inch total size, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max is 6.7 inches tall. This is almost twice as big. The resolution of iPhone 4 was about 960 by 640, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max is at 2778 by 1284, which is a bit more than twice as much. The most visible improvement is the screen to body ratio, which was 55.77% on the iPhone 4 and 87.45% on iPhone 12 Pro Max. We can clearly see that difference right here. The RAM on iPhone 4 was only half a GB, and on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it's at 6 GB right now. The battery life on iPhone 4 was about 1420, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max has a whopping 3687 milliamp battery. Let's talk about the cameras. The iPhone 4 had one 5-megapixel camera, while iPhone 12 Pro Max has 3 cameras on the back, which are up to 12 megapixel. Video recording on iPhone 4 was 720 HD at 30 frames per second, while iPhone 12 Pro Max has 4K at 60 FPS and Full HD at 240 FPS, which is phenomenal. iPhone 4 had good old headphone jack, while iPhone 12 Pro Max does not have it at all. However, the same charging port has the ability to transfer audio into the new headphones. Let's see the rest of the visual changes on these phones. The charging port has improved a lot. The buttons are almost similar, but maybe on different spots on the phones because of the new spots are better fit for the bigger body size. In terms of the UI design, the base is very similar of this design. I would still give props to the first designer who came up with this actual design, because the first blueprint is still used in the latest iPhone 12 Pro Max. The iPhone 4 does seem very small now that we have a bigger option, but back then, due to the hype and creativity, it was not a deal breaker. With that being said, let's have a look at how fast this latest iPhone is while we turn them both on at the same time. There you have it. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe. TJHD signing off, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.